Hi everyone, so this look is inspired by date night or maybe Christmas Eve night. I don't know, whatever you guys want to do, wherever you want to wear this style to, it's definitely a fit all type of hairstyle. I'm loving all this hair on my face. I'm loving it. It's definitely a vibe. I think it's cute. I think it's beautiful. If you choose, you can choose to remove the back section, or you can choose to have less hair out. It just depends on how you want your style to look. But I think this is beautiful. I think it's cute. If you want, you can add curls to your bun or puff or whatever you have going on there. I think this is giving grown. It's giving simple, elegant, beautiful. And I'm also going to style this in a date night outfit because I'm wearing the dress right now. I'm going to show you guys the complete look here. Hopefully I'm able to record the full complete look. Where would you wear this style to, or where would you style this hair to? I think it's a one style fits all type hairstyle, like all the styles on my channel. I wanted to add extensions, but I told myself, Chloe, your hair has grown. How about you try it with just your hair? And I'm actually glad I did, because who's this creating styles without extensions? Me. I don't know why I'm being dramatic. I'm being dramatic right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this style. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Comment where you wear this style to, and click the subscribe button if you've not clicked it at this point. Like, I mean, what are you waiting for? Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.